This is a question from CCEA Summer 2021 M8 Paper 1, I think it is, question 10. So paper 1 is a non-calculated paper. It says the height of a balloon H varies directly as a square root of its surface area A. When the balloon's surface area is 81, its height is 12. What is the height when the surface area is 144? Okay, first thing it tells you the height of the balloon H varies directly as a square root of its surface area of A. So that tells you that H is equal to K, and it's the square root of the surface area, so square root of A. So that you could loads of ways you could say that H varies directly to the square root of A. H is directly proportional to the square root of A. If it had said H varies inversely, you would say H equals K over the square root of A, or whatever it happens to be, but that would be inverse proportional. But ours is direct proportion, so we'll get rid of that. Okay, next thing it tells you, it says when the balloon's surface area is 81, its height is 12. So let's just write that down. So H is 12 when the surface area is 81, and they've been nice to us here because 81 is a square number. So let's just sub that in. So instead of H, write 12. Instead of A, write 81. Now that means 12 is equal to square root of 81 is just 9, so 12 is equal to 9k. Then 12 divided by 9 is equal to k. And if you can cancel down in mathematics, especially a non-calculator exam, do so. 3 goes into the top line 4 times, 3 goes into the bottom line 3 times, so that's where your 4 over 3 comes from. Once you've got that, then what you do is you rewrite your equation. So this equation here gets rewritten. You now know the value of k, so h is equal to 4 over 3 times the square root of A. And once you've done that, it's as if you haven't done anything else before. This is where you start. So we just focus on this thing alone. The last thing we're to do, it says, what is the height when the surface area is 144? I would just say, a wee word in mathematics makes all the difference. I just say when A equals 144, H is equal to 4 over 3 times the square root of 144. Again, this is a non-calculator exam. That's 4 over 3 times square root of 144 is 12. And then how do we do this on a non-calculator? So fractions, 4 on top, 3 on the bottom. The 12, rewrite your 12 as 12 over 1. And then 3 goes into itself once. 3 goes into 12, 4 times. So it just becomes 4 times 4 on the top line, which is 16. And 1 times 1 on the bottom, which is just 1. So my answer is just 16. Done.